Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to sell crypto on KuCoin P2P Trading to cash out your money. So in order to sell crypto on KuCoin P2P Trading to cash out your money, you just have to follow the steps. First thing, you have to set up P2P. For that, log in into your KuCoin account. When you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, something like this. Now while you're on this page, you can just go ahead and select the P2P. And when you select P2P, it's going to take you to the other field where you will be able to see this sort of interface. On this page, you can just go ahead and select the asset, or you just go ahead and select the buy button and click on, and then click on the three dot icon from the top right hand side corner, and a drop down menu appears, which is going to look something like this. So go ahead and press on P2P. As soon as you click on it, now you need to go ahead and select the sell button, and then you'll have to go ahead and select the asset type or the currency and confirm it. And next you need to go ahead and select the payment method one more time. So go ahead and select payment method by tapping on the three dot icon, add a payment method that could either be a bank account or whatever, and click on add payment method located right at the bottom. Next you just have to go ahead and confirm or fill out the form, and you'll have successfully added the payment method. And with this, you've completed the setup. Now you need to go ahead and trade. So first of all, you need to go ahead and select the merchant. When you've actually selected the merchant, this is how it's going to look like. And then if you wish to go with the particular merchant, then just press the sell button next to it and enter the exact amount, asset, all of that you're transferring through P2P, and confirm the transaction. Then you'll have successfully transferred crypto on KuCoin via P2P transfer. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.